helping spread the word in this case. You just never know where these cases are going to end up. Jojo was found in New Brunswick, Canada, about 2,000 miles away from his home in Miami. Just a few days ago, he was reunited with his mother in Miami, and as you can imagine, it was an emotional, amazing moment. Now, this whole ordeal began back in August. Police said Jojo's father did not return Jojo to his mom after a custodial visit. Now, investigators said Dad and Jojo's paternal grandmother took off with Jojo, and it had been 2 long months when an alert person in a Walmart saw Jojo and his dad, and that person called police. Now, Dad and grandmother were arrested, and both now face felony charges in this case. As you can imagine, Jojo's mom is ecstatic, and she's very grateful.
We wanted to thank On Patrol Life and all the media outlets out there who have made possible spreading the news about our story, and that has made it so far. Thanks to all of them. Thank you so much.
That's such good news, Angela.